Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and power. Back up important files to an external drive or cloud and plug the laptop into AC power so it won't die mid-process. Once done, sign out of accounts, disable BitLocker or File Vault if enabled, and note any product keys or credentials you'll need later. Now open Settings or System Preferences and navigate to the Reset or Recovery section. Select the option labeled Reset, Recovery, or Erase and Reinstall to begin the factory reset. You'll now choose how deeply to reset. Pick Remove Everything for a full wipe or Keep My Files to preserve personal data. Make sure to decide between Cloud Reinstall and a local reinstall. Cloud pulls a fresh OS image and avoids corrupted partitions, but uses bandwidth. Once you confirm options, the reset will restart and begin wiping and reinstalling. Progress can take from 30 minutes to a couple hours depending on drive speed and updates. Make sure you don't interrupt power during this phase. When the reinstall finishes, follow the initial setup prompts to choose language, connect to Wi-Fi, and sign in with your account. This restores system permissions and sync. Then reinstall your essential apps and restore files from the backup you made earlier, and immediately run the OS update and driver updates so performance and security are current. If the reset fails or the laptop won't boot, create a USB installer or enter recovery safe mode to retry the process. This often resolves corrupted partitions or interrupted reinstalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.